What's up? Well, I'm here at my delivery right quick. As you guys can see, it's on this side street, and it's actually a one-way. I could have came in on this one-way and actually do a side in, but actually I came in on the other way. So I actually came in on the one-way side. I gotta actually blindsided in. So what I did was, it was a cone outside. I decided to use that cone to block off one side of the street, and I got my little sleeper window open back there in the back. I don't know if you guys could tell or could see. I got my sleeper window open in the back so that I can see down my blind side. Got this guy right here moving this truck out the way so I can have plenty of room to work. Here's my backing situation. About to knock it out. Somebody was supposed to come outside to spot me, but unfortunately he haven't made it outside yet. So what I'm gonna have to do is wait and get my setup. Then once I get my setup, I'll look, check my situation, and get this bad boy back into the dock. Blindside. Guys, it's all about setup. Setup is everything. It's all about the setup. Once you get the setup right, then you'll be able to knock it out. So let's get out and look, and let's check it out. So I'm getting out to look, checking out my situation. Always slow. Always make it happen slow. And put on your seatbelt. Oh man, so that's blindsiding right there, man. You gotta have a good spotter, which I do have a good spotter. Now that I can see on my side, I can go ahead and get it in the way it's supposed to get in. So right now I got him opening up the doors. I got him opening up the doors right quick so I can go ahead and back in and get it done. So I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. It's pretty much lined up with the line. See, basically, when you guys like backing up in a situation where y'all don't have no lines or stripes, y'all got to come out here and make a line and make a stripe. All right. Luckily for me, I'm the only truck here, so I pretty much got it in the middle dock instead of trying to get it into the end docks. Guys have a smartphone or something like that. Like I said before, and I say it again, always download Google Maps. And to go with Google Maps, download Google Earth. Those two in conjunction with each other will give you a hell of a good idea on your situation whenever you come to one. All right?
Oh, there you go.
And that's how you do that. That's how you do that. But like I said before, setup is always everything. So if you got a good setup, everything else should go Floyd. everything should go fluid. All right, thanks for hanging out with me on this little back end situation that I was in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Later.